Hello friends, once again myself Rajendra Kumar Arora from Kendra Vidyalaya Kashipur is presenting a class before all of you, that is the reconstitution of partnership, and we are going to discuss the topic change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners, how to calculate sacrificing ratio and how to calculate gaining ratio when there is change in ratio. Students, earlier in the partnership we have discussed the basic fundamentals of the partnership. The basic fundamentals, what we have learned is the basic constitutions of partnership, partnership deed, what are the clauses being covered in the partnership deed. Similarly, how to prepare previous appropriation account, partners capital account, partners current account. Similarly, guarantee of profit, past adjustments, how to value the goodwill, average profit method, super profit method, that all we have learned earlier in the unit of partnership. Now students, here comes the new topic, reconstitution of partnership. What is reconstitution? Reconstitution का मतलब क्या हो? तो reconstitution is the change in the profit sharing ratio among the partners. What is reconstitution? Whenever there is change in the profit sharing ratio among the partners, it is known as reconstitution. Now, new partner may be admitted. When the new partner is admitted, obvious that there will be the change in the profit sharing ratio. When one of the partner leaves the firm, definitely there will be change in the profit sharing ratio. So in the case of admission, there is change in ratio. In the case of retirement, there is change in the ratio. And similarly, among the existing partners only, there is the change in the ratio. Suppose earlier A and B were sharing profits equally, 1:1, that is 5,000, 5,000. If the profit is 10,000 is there, so they are getting 5,000 each. Now A and B have decided to share in the ratio of 3:2, that is A will get 6,000 and B will get 4,000 in the future. It is also reconstitution. क्यों reconstitution? The ratio among A and B has changed. Earlier they were sharing the profit in 1:1 ratio. Now they are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So whenever there is change in the profit sharing ratio, that is known as reconstitution of partnership. So reconstitution of partnership, we are going to learn the topic change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. We are going to learn change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners only. So well, students, let us start with the topic reconstitution of partnership. Now in the screen, what you are saying, that what are the adjustments required in the reconstitution of partnership. What are the adjustments we are going to discuss in reconstitution of partnership? What are the topics that will be covered in this unit? In this unit you are going to learn change in profit sharing ratio, that is you are going to determine new ratio and sacrificing ratio, how to calculate new profit sharing ratio and how to calculate sacrificing ratio. In this class definitely we are going to learn this one on. Valuation and adjustment of goodwill. Valuation you have learned earlier. Now the accounting treatment of goodwill. Whenever there is change in the ratio, there is adjustment, how to treat goodwill, that we are going to learn in the further classes. How to revalue assets. Definitely whenever there is change in the ratio, there is revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. The revaluation and reassessment of liabilities we are going to learn in the further classes. Adjustments of deferred revenue expenditures. We have to write off these deferred revenue expenditures whenever there is change in the profit sharing ratio. So how to solve it, we are going to learn. Adjustments of reserves. Reserves, definitely accumulated profits, losses. These are the amount that belong to the older firm only. Whenever there is change in the ratio, the older partners definitely want that this amount should be given to them, because they reserves and accumulated profits they have saved for their contingencies and this amount belongs to them, definitely this amount should be distributed among them in the old ratios. So how to solve it, we are going to learn it. And adjustments of capital, whenever there is change in the ratio, definitely the amount of capital also changes. Whenever there is reconstitution, the amount of capital also changes. So these are the adjustments we are going to discuss in reconstitution of partnership. But in this class we are going to learn the first topic only, change in profit sharing ratio, that is how to calculate new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now, what is change in profit sharing ratio? When there is the ratio among the partners changes, profit sharing ratio changes. Earlier what I have told, that A and B were sharing in the ratio 1:1, and now they are sharing in the profits in the ratio of 3:2. The ratio is changed. The profit sharing ratio changes on change in the ratio. Some of the partner gain while others sacrifices. Now in this case, A is gaining and B is sacrificing. How? This you will learn to calculate how A is gaining and while B is sacrificing. One who sacrifices is called sacrificing partner and other who gains is called a gaining partner. In this situation, who is gaining? A. So A is the gaining partner while B is the sacrificing partner. So we are going to discuss the cases under the different situations, how to calculate new ratio and sacrificing ratio. So students, in this class what we are going to learn is how to calculate gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio. So in the situation A and B older, how much they are sharing? 1:1. That is, A is getting 1/2 share of profit while B is also getting 1/2 share of profit. Both are getting how much? 1/2 each. Now they have decided that they are going to share profit in the ratio of 3:2. They are going to share profit in the ratio of 3:2. That is, A will get how much? 3/5 and B will get how much? 2/5. Getting my point? Earlier A was getting 1/2, but now how much A will get? He will get 3/5. Similarly, earlier B was getting 1/2, now he will get how much? 2/5. So in the previous slide I said that A has gained while B has sacrificed. Now I am going to justify that. In this I am going to justify that. Suppose there is a profit of rupees 10,000. So 10,000, 1/2 belongs to A and 1/2 belongs to B. That is 5,000 belong to A and 5,000 belong to B. Getting my point? 5,000 was belonging to A and another 5,000 was belonging to B. Now in the new firm, what happened? A is getting how much? 3/5 and B is getting how much? 2/5. So A will get how much? 6,000. 10,000 into 3/5. Similarly, 10,000 into 2/5, that is 4,000. This amount will be the amount given to B. Now in this situation, what you are seeing? क्या दिख रहा है? तो earlier A was getting 5,000 and now he is getting 6,000. यानी कि 1,000 more. A is getting 1,000 more. That is, he has gained. Similarly, how much B is getting? 1,000 less. Earlier he was getting 5,000. Now he will get how much? 4,000. So B has what? Sacrifice. A has what? Gain. Students, you are getting my point now? So A has gained while B has sacrificed. So you have learned कि whenever there is change in the ratio among the existing partners only, one partner gains and other sacrifices. Similarly, how to calculate if the amount of profit is not given? So A was earlier getting what? 1/2. Now he is getting how much? 3/5. That is, we have used the formula old minus new. So when we solved it, what we get? 5 minus 6 minus 1/10. So old minus new is the formula that is being used for calculating the sacrifice. Now the resultant answer is how much? Minus 1/10. So that is what? A sacrifices minus 1/10. Minus means what? A has gained 1/10. Getting my point? A has gained the amount of how much? 1/10. This is the situation. Similarly, B, what the B will get? Similarly, the B will get, in the situation, the B will get, earlier he was getting 1/2. Now he's getting how much? 2/5. We calculated 1/10. The old minus new is what? It is the sacrifice. It is a sacrifice among the partners. So B's sacrifices 1/10 while A's gain is 1/10. So whenever there is change in ratio among the partners, there is one partner who gains and other partner who sacrifices. There can be the situation when there are more than 2 partners, 3 partners, 4 partners. So definitely in that situation, some of the partners gain and others sacrifice. But you have to remember what? The sacrifice and gain is always equal. ये नहीं कि sacrifice ही करे जा रहे हैं, या ये नहीं कि all are gaining. The one partner sacrifices, 2 partners sacrifices. It may be possible that 3 partners, 4 partners may sacrifice, only one gains, but you have to remember that the sacrifice and gain correspondingly are equal to each other. So students, so in this class you have to remember that whenever there is the reconstitution of partnership, definitely there is a change in profit sharing ratio among the partners. And whenever there is change in profit sharing ratio among the partners, one of the partners gains and other the sacrifices. But you have to remember, sacrifice is equal to gain. Always in this situation, sacrifice and gain are equal. Now students, we take the another situation. Suppose there are 3 partners, A, B, C. They are sharing 3 profits in the ratio 3:2:1. That is the old ratio. But in the new firm, they have decided to share equally, 1:1:1. Now how to calculate? Old minus new is equal to sacrifice. Old minus new is equal to sacrifice. A is 1/3. Sorry, old is 3/6 minus 1/3. 3 minus 2, 1/6. Sacrifice. Getting my point? B, 2/6 minus 1/3. 6, 2 minus 2, 0. Nil. Neither sacrifice nor gain. C, 1/6 minus 1/3 minus 1/6 or 1/6 gain. अब तो पता चल गया कि one is sacrificing, other is gaining, but you see that sacrifice is equal to gain. 1/6 इक्वल टू 1/6 होता है ना. B का सेक्रीफाइस निकला ही नहीं. तो हमेशा बच्चों यही सिचुएशन रहेगी कि whenever there is change in the ratio among the partners, one of the partner gains and other sacrifices. ये होगा ही होगा. तो बच्चों, in this class हमने कैलकुलेट करना सीखा कि कैसे सेक्रीफाइस होता है, कैसे गेन होता है. सही है. तो वेल स्टूडेंट्स, इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास hopefully we are going to learn the further topics regarding the reconstitution of partnership. So I am going to close this class. Please like and subscribe my channel. Learn Commerce with Rajendra Arora. Thank you.